All right, moving ahead with another story. The Ram Temple in Ayodhya is now fully constructed with all preparations complete for November 25, when Prime Minister Narendra Modi will hoist a saffron flag atop the 191-foot Shikhar, a moment described by the Temple Trust as spiritually historic for crores of devotees worldwide. Ayodhya is witnessing unprecedented tourism, from 60 lakh visitors in 2020 to 23 crore pilgrims between January and June 2025, with numbers expected to cross 50 crore by December. RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat yesterday said, "The days of invasion are gone. Now we are going to hoist the flag on the Ram Temple. It was India then, it's India now." With Prime Minister Narendra Modi, RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat and prominent personalities from across India expected to attend, the city has turned into a high security zone. For the general public, Darshan will remain closed on November 25 due to heavy VVIP movement.
Ayodhya is all set to celebrate 25th November when Dhwajarohan Karyakram will be there. So right now I am at the place where the workers are working with the flowers. They will decorate the gate number 11, the Ramchandra gate, where you can see these workers are working here. They are putting the flowers, they are decorating here. Let me show you some of the pictures and some of the boards. Like here they have written Shri Ram Janmabhoomi Mandir or Dhwajarohan Karyakram they have written over there with the help of the flowers. कितने दिनों से काम कर रहे हैं आप?
2 दिन हो गए।
2 दिन हो गए। कहाँ से ये फूल आए हैं?
अब बड़ी दूर दूर से आए, कोलकाता से आए, थाईलैंड से आए।
पहले भी किया है?
पहले भी किया है,
जब पिछली बार कार्यक्रम हुआ था।
पिछली बार का।
So these are the workers who have worked in the earlier event also when Pran Pratishtha event was there. The flowers here which they are using, they are here from Bengal, they are here from Delhi. They have bought them from different states. You can see how beautifully they are decorating this board. Prime Minister Narendra Modi along with the RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat will enter there, and from Saket Inter College to gate number 11 there will be a road show. People will stand on both the sides of the road and will welcome Narendra Modi, Prime Minister, and RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat and our Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. 25 तारीख को क्या मुख्यतः कार्यक्रम रहेगा? जरा आप इसे
25 नवंबर राम और सीता का विवाह दिवस है। अयोध्या का बड़ा महत्वपूर्ण त्योहार है। अयोध्या के हजारों मंदिरों में राम विवाह के उत्सव मनाए जाते हैं। मार्गशीर्ष का महीना है। भगवान कृष्ण गीता में अपना परिचय देते हुए कहते हैं कि मैं महीनों में मार्गशीर्ष का महीना हूँ, यानी यह महीना भगवान कृष्ण का प्रतिरूप है। शुक्ल पक्ष है, जब चंद्रमा अमावस्या से धीरे धीरे प्रकाश की ओर जलता है। ये शुभ पर्व है, शुभ पक्ष है। राम जन्मभूमि मंदिर पर 10 फीट ऊंचा और 20 फीट लंबा ध्वज ऊपर धीरे धीरे चढ़ाया जाएगा। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी नरेंद्र भाई मोदी, माननीय सरसंघ चालक राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ डॉक्टर मोहन भागवत, उत्तर प्रदेश की माननीय राज्यपाल महोदया और मुख्यमंत्री जी इस अवसर पर उपस्थित रहेंगे। अनेकों जनप्रतिनिधि उपस्थित रहेंगे।
We could pack for you in this bulletin. Heading into a small break, news and updates continue on the other side. Stay tuned.